Hello, my dear awesome family members. Welcome back to our channel, Vinish Tech Universe. This is your tech lover, Vinish. I hope you all have seen the thumbnail. Yes, you heard it right. Know your organization course in Explore. Like you all get 100%. It's my promise, and that it will definitely works for you all. And many of the candidates are facing the problem, so that's why I made this video for you all. And I'll tell you the trick in this video. Please don't skip at any moment. Please watch till the end. So if you miss at any moment, then you will lose the trick. You will might lose the trick. So I'll explain you each and every step, like how to complete 100% in the Explore Embrace course, especially for TCS selected candidates. So I think 90% of the people are facing this issue, but I resolve this issue to many people. If you want to uh, resolve this issue, if you are facing the issue, if like after this video also, please DM me. I'll definitely help you guys. And without getting any delay, let's get straight into the video. Before getting into the video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Vinish Tech Universe. Then you will know will not miss any updates from our channel. Okay. So this is a Explore course engagements course. This is my learning courses dashboard. So you can see here is my Know Your Organization 2024. I already attached this picture in the thumbnail also. So you can see like I completed 100%. Like I'll show you I'll show you before telling all the things. So first of all, you have to launch this course. So after launching this course, you can see my dashboard, like my content dashboard. One thing, guys, like I have already sent a mail to the Explore team also. Even they also not resolved my problem. So that's why I resolved my problem personally by looking into my course dashboard and other things. So you can see I completed all the things content in the content dashboard table of content. Even there is no single tick mark left. So here is about pieces organization. It is also completed. This is not comes under tick mark because it is a content folder name. So we can't do that. You can check here. There is no mark as read option. So I think many people are facing the problem in the Know Your Tata Group Embrace. You can see like if you want to complete your 100%, you have to click to launch. So after clicking launch in the Tata Embrace, it will show like this, like congrats, get ready to flex your Tata muscle as you have been 100% embrace. You can see, but after getting this pop-up also, you are getting 97.67% like that, right? So even you can see the dashboard, even all the people have completed these 4 courses and you all received these points also. But even also you are getting the like you are getting 97.67. I know all the people are facing same issue. Uh, like by opening this Embrace login page, you'll find out. Let's build the logo. Okay, this is a video free. So you have to watch this video free without skipping it any and don't increase the using up it completely. You can slightly go down and you can find there are 3 options like LN and an Excel, right? So you have to click this let's complete. So after clicking let's complete, you can see here is the steps. Here is the steps to how to get champion, expert, and master. Here all the points are there, but this is not a worthy point that I am looking for. Just a minute. I think it's not going back. Yeah, you can see like I am waiting for this one only. Like my Tata muscle completed 100%. Like great job, Vinish. Drum rolls like so it's showing. And you can see like I am at this point because I completed all the things. Like my points are 1584 points. Like I think I don't think so. It is my explore points or not. I don't know, but it is showing my points at that one. But if you want to clear that, I will show you the trick. There, here it is. Just a minute. So like see, so you have to complete all the videos. Like you don't know, many other people don't know like how to like all the people just thought like I completed all the course, but even also I didn't get 100% in the Tata Embrace course. So people are doing the same mistake here only. Like you have to complete all the things. You have to completed those. Then only you will get like you'll get the green tick of completed, green marker completed, and here there are so many videos, so you have to click on discover more, and you have will find out all the things. Wait, I'll show you clearly. Wait, I think it's not getting back, so I'm going back and reload again. So here you can find the like our journey, our world and footprints. So first of all, you have to check your our journey, and then after click on right arrow, and you have to check the our world, and then after click on right arrow, and you have to check once more like our footprints. You have to complete all the three things like to complete to gain the to attain 100% in the Embrace course. And for your for your verification, I'll show you all the things individually. Just a moment. So you have to click on discover more. So after clicking on discover more, I just now show you like uh I got a green tick mark here. Here you can see uh over here I also show you that you have to complete those things, and you have to uh find that point. You have to find all the things like completed. So if anyone not complete at least one, so it won't show 100% to you in the Embrace course particularly. So for your clear ideas,
Times may change. What is right does not. Over time, our unwavering focus on doing what is right has crystallized into five core values: integrity, responsibility, excellence, pioneering, unity. Embodied in our business principles, they remain our group's guiding light.
your like you people who can see the 100% progress completed, and you want this point like this. But coming back to dashboard again, you are finding that it is not completed. It is only 97%, 97.67% only. So the problem is here only. Like many people are doing the same mistake. So they are playing the video and increase the playback speed. So that's why it is not completed. So you have to click on every discover more tab. So then only you will complete the three tabs. I think each tab contains nearly 6 to 7 videos. So it won't take more than a 30 minutes, more than an half an hour. So I think all of us be wasting our time when spending some other work. So please spend some time and take. You can click more tabs, right. In if you are in PC, you can split your screen into four or more than four tabs. So you can simply complete those videos in just 30 minutes. In just 30 minutes, you can complete all those 18 videos at a single slot. So even in so you have to complete like this. Then only your Embrace course will get 100%. You can see you have to click on each discover more option in the each topic. So our world, our footprints, our path. So you have to complete all the 6 videos. So after completion of the 6 videos, you will get marked as completed. Then only you can find your course as completed, and your data analysis course also, and your know your organization course also get completed. It's my promise, and it's for sure. Even if you maintain playback speed as normal like one, then also you won't complete it means, then please DM me. Then I will definitely resolve your problem, and I'll definitely take your screen and take your login details, and I will definitely complete by my end. I'm sure, and it's my promise, and I am there for you to help. So uh, if you are facing any issue, so please bring to my notice. So I'll definitely complete as early as possible, and I'll make it to 100%. So it's my promise, and it's my challenge also. Definitely you'll get 100%. So guys, and one more thing, everyone, please complete these expert courses and also ascent courses for your joinings. So it is very much important because teachers people are like giving the joinings for Telugu states. Even I don't think for North people. Yeah, it is for South people the problem they are facing. So please complete that SN courses and all your courses codes and all the things. If you want the course and any kind of like if you are facing with any kind of course in the Java and so on, then please reply in the comment. I'll definitely give you the answers also. So please complete all those things. You can see like I completed nine courses out of 16, and even I completed all the courses except hands-on JavaScript code is left. I completed remaining all the things. But Even also I'm getting the courses are not completed, but I have if you mail to the expert team, then they will resolve and you will find out all the subscriptions are completed. You can see my courses all are completed. Outer section I completed all the things except hands on. So it might it should be showcased as like 15 courses has been completed, but it is showing only 9 courses as I completed. But it is totally their fault. It's not your fault. So it will be get updated after 3 or 4 days. So don't get panic and don't get worry about that. So please do as much as possible, and please reply me. Please comment down below. I can reply you. I'll definitely uh, connect with you. So also this is the help done from my side. So it is a time for you to complete all the courses in the TCS Explore platform. So thank you so much for watching this video till this end, and keep supporting me as well. Love you. I love you. Love you all of you. Bye bye.